To make Vietnamese pork and prawn cha, first wash your hands. Then add soy sauce to a large bowl with fish sauce, garlic puree, and give them a mix. Top and tail spring onions. Carefully chop them into small pieces and add to your bowl. Ask a grown-up to cook and cool pork mince for you. Spoon it into a plastic food bag and bash it with a rolling pin to break it up. Then add it to the bowl. Next, get cooked shelled prawns. Make sure the prawns are kept chilled until you use them. Add them to the bag and give them a bash too. You have to be very careful when cooking with prawns, so make sure you don't use the bag again. Once bashed, add them to your bowl. Now, pick the leaves off sprigs of fresh mint. Put them in a mug, then carefully cut them into small pieces and add them to the bowl as well. Add plain flour. And here we go. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Grind in 5 to 6 twists of black pepper and mix again. Crack an egg into a mug and check it for shell. Don't forget to wipe your hands after touching raw egg. Whisk the egg with a fork, pour it over the other ingredients, and you've guessed it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Put 8 cupcake cases on a baking tray and use a pastry brush to brush each with olive oil and spoon the mixture into each cake case, making sure you share it out so that each one is filled with the same amount. Press down the mixture in each case with the back of a spoon to make it flat and squash it all together. Dab with more olive oil and ask a grown-up to put them in the oven for you until cooked through. When the Vietnamese pork and prawn cha's cooked and slightly cooled, it's ready to eat. It's turned golden brown in the oven, and you can add fresh mint on top for extra flavour and serve with lettuce. This is a My World Kitchen green recipe that can be eaten often.